Hello, welcome to Berkshire Used Cars' latest video of this 2010 60 registered Citroen DS3. This is the 1.6 HDI 110 D Sport 3-door. It's in a lovely shade called Belle Ile Blue. Mileage is recorded at 61,816. The car really is in fantastic condition for the age and mileage. So 3 owners in total. Very good service history. We have 8 services in total. Most recent service was carried out in June 2020 at 61,000 miles. MOT expires on the 15th of February 2021. Only advisory is the near side front tyre wall has got some slight damage on the rubber, but the tyre is absolutely fine. Talking of tyres, fronts 5.1 and 4.5 millimeters, rears 3.6 and 4.1 millimeters. It's a very economical 1.6 HDI engine, returns an impressive 62 mpg. Band C for road tax, so 12 months is just £30. Car is equipped with LED front running lights, also has rear parking sensors as standard. Inside we have a very nice contrasting black and grey full leather upholstery. So front electric windows, you have electric folding wing mirrors. Car comes with automatic headlights as well as the auto windscreen wipers, cruise control as well as speed limiter. Main media system, so it's a standard AM/FM radio. You do have Bluetooth telephone, as well as the capability of streaming music via Bluetooth, alternatively using the USB connection for playing music too. Digital air conditioning, and it is a 6-speed manual gearbox. This excellent condition Citroen DS3 is declared as HPI clear. In terms of the service history on the car, as part of our preparation we have just replaced the cam belt and the water pump, literally in July 2020. We can also give some very competitive finance terms at the moment. This is an example of a 10% deposit over 48 months with payments of just £108.17. Interest rate is fixed at 4.5%. The APR representative here is 13.5%. This car will be supplied with 2 sets of remote central locking keys. We do have a handbook, we have the service book, there is a space saver spare wheel, all the tools are present along with a locking wheel nut. Thanks very much for taking the time to watch the video. Any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with Berkshire Used Cars.